Hello. Today we are talking with Rene Zidbeck. Did I get that right, Rene?
Yeah, you got it right.
Okay, and we're talking about a European Commission funded call through the Horizon Europe Framework Program about smart buildings, specifically efficient, sustainable, and inclusive energy use. You work in a company in Finland called EnerZ that is specialized in optimizing energy and in energy efficiency in buildings. Am I getting this right?
Yes, you're getting it right. Yeah,
Could you tell us a little bit about your company?
yeah. So, like how you already said, so my name is Rene Zidbeck, and I'm the founder of EnerZ Group, and EnerZ Group is actually specialized on energy efficient buildings, and we are currently operating in Lithuania, Latvia, and in Finland, and so. And how we basically provide energy efficiency as a service to our client. So we're helping the client in designing energy efficient buildings, if we talk about existing or new building.
Okay.
And we try to find out convenient ways to save energy. And of course, like our main thing, how we generate the savings is actually with the building automation system, so with the
Right.
control system.
Okay. And what is your background? What is your area of expertise and your experience specifically?
So basically, I have been studying in a HVAC field as an engineer, and then I have been studying some for finance regarding international business and how to make different kind of business models of HVAC.
Okay. And is this the first European Union funded project that you'll be participating in?
Actually, I have been participating few times for these projects,
Okay.
and this is
How
now I
was
think
your
third one.
Okay. And how was your experience in general? Do you think they were successful? Or I mean, how would you define success in a European Commission funded project?
If I would say so far, I have been having a pretty positive. Um, at the first, I thought that it would be more harder than it really is.
Mm-hmm.
So I actually like how they generate the project, and I like the way how they evaluate it, how they make it from different work packages. So I like that way.
Okay. Well, it's a very kind of engineer designed
Yeah.
way of working, no? Now, with this call in specific, what does the European Commission, the European Union, expect? What will be the impact, and what will be the benefit for the European Union and its citizens?
I think the European Commission thinks that they know already that we have a lot of technology around us, but I think there is not that kind of solutions that could really provide a solution to this energy, like the raising energy demand in the buildings, and we use just a tiny little bit of the potential that we could use. So I think this call is made to make building monitoring and energy performance systems to be more, let's say, products that those would be more easier to reach for the and user friendlier systems.
Okay.
So
Because what kind of systems are used today? What's the state of the art? What are the best systems used right now? Like, what are we improving upon in this call?
mm, I think at the moment, the most potential state of art, if we regarding energy efficiency and high performance of the building, it's of course digital twin. I think then that is the most potential. But like I said, I think it's like just tiny bit of that potential used there. So we have a plenty of. And I don't know if you wanted that I explain what is a digital twin.
Digital
Is it
twin
like
is, I mean, it's something that not a lot of non-experts would know about. So maybe you could
yeah.
give us a brief breakdown of what that is.
So basically, digital twin is like we generate the digital twin from the existing building,
Mm-hmm.
and it's like a virtual replica of the
Right.
building. And there's like all the technologies, systems, equipments, ventilation system, cooling system, everything in the digital world and in the actual world. So we could generate different kind of simulations with it. We could check what
Mm-hmm.
is working and what is not working. So this provides us so much data if these things communicate each other. So this is, I think, one of the topics. that people are using it already, but they haven't used the full potential of the digital twin. So I really think this is one of the future things.
Okay, so you see this is one of the main trends as from the research and scientific community that you would support in this call, for example. Are there others?
I think this is part because everything is linked together end of the day. So because the next thing is smart energy storages. So this is actually linked to the digital twin. Okay. Because if we can simulate how the building could store its energy, electricity, heating, we could understand the district heating and how the grid would work more smartly. So we need actually the digital world in any way. It is so much impacted to everybody because we have to simulate it. We have to simulate in a big scale. We just cannot look one single thing. Okay. And of course, the third one that I think what is all the key solution for this call and these questions is, of course, artificial intelligence. It sounds fancy, and of course, there's many companies that already are implementing it. But I really think that the potential is not even like I think we are just using maybe 3% of the potential that it could have. So I think that the AI is this thing that will make the difference here when we combine it with the digital twin. When we can make like in a digital twin world, we can make like different scenarios. We can simulate the building in different environments. So we can basically generate the neural network for the artificial intelligence, how we could optimize and control the building with the data that we have generated with the computer, because we have to generate the neural network. So I think the artificial intelligence is one of the most important things here. Okay, great. So that's a neural network system of artificial intelligence. Okay. That we could make but we need the digital twin to make that. Okay. Otherwise, you have to use it in an existing building and generate all the data. It will take too much time, so it's not doesn't make any sense. So that's very interesting. Okay, well, thank you very much, Rene. This has been very enlightening. Thank you for your time, and I wish you all the best in the future, and I hope to see you again. Thank you, Shane, for the great conversation. Have a nice one. You too.